Today we'll be going over how to make a simple custom board game using Figma. First, you want to decide what shape you want your board game to be. I went with a square, and we create this shape using our frame tool up at the top left. Now we want to take our shape tool and create the long rectangles around the outside for the outer layer of our board game. We want to take these rectangles, remove the fill, and add a stroke instead. Now that we have our path outline, we want to copy this and paste it around all edges of our game board. Now that we have our outer edge, we want to add little dividers to create spaces where our players will land when playing the game. Now that we have the dividers on one side, we want to copy them and paste them over to all other edges of our game board. Now that we have our outer edges complete, we want to make a circle in the center of the board using our shape tool at the top left corner. We want to make sure this is centered, and then you can decorate it however you like to be used as our start or finish line. Now we want to add little pathways towards our center circle, so there's a way to access our start and finish line. place, our board is essentially done. Check back on our YouTube channel next week for a video about creating rules and adding characters and completing this board game.